already creating Instagram Reels and TikTok videos, right? I'm pretty sure you are if you clicked on this video. But my question to you is, are you getting the most exposure from your videos? Are you doing everything that you possibly can to make sure your videos that you work so hard on are seen by new eyes each and every time? If the answer is no, I want you to stick around to the end of this video because my goal is to change that. Hey everybody, if you're new here, I'm Cheri. I'm a social media strategist, and today we're talking about one of my personal favorite things to talk about, and that is video. Video is so important for your business. Like, I can't even begin to tell you how it has transformed my very own business. So kudos to you if you're watching this, because you already have an understanding of how video can be very crucial to your social media marketing strategy. If you're already creating videos, good for you. Let's just turn it up a notch. All you data-driven people like me who like the numbers, here's a little quick fact for you that I pulled off of HubSpot, which is a great tool and resource for any type of like social media marketing update. And I'll make sure I link them down below this particular article. It says, compared to last year, 86% of businesses use video as a marketing tool. I think it's pretty safe to say we're on the same page. We understand how we need to have a video marketing strategy. I kind of want to take it a little deeper and make sure you have an effective and solid video repurposing strategy. So I took down some simple notes because I know this can be very complicated, or maybe you just overthink it. Either way it goes, I just want to simplify it as much as I possibly can. So let's go ahead and get into it. Get yourself some equipment. It doesn't have to break the bank. It doesn't have to be super duper expensive, but you want to eventually invest into some good lights. Yes, you can always use the daylight outside. Oftentimes when I'm traveling or anything like that and I just need to record a quick video, I just use the daylight. I don't travel with my lights. These are just mainly for YouTube videos when I'm recording kind of like at home or whatever. When I'm out and about, I just use the natural daylight. You can invest in a tripod that can mount up your phone for you so you don't always have to like hold the phone and create your videos. But yes, just get yourself some equipment, and I've done you a favor and I've linked everything that I use to create my videos in the description box below. Two is to keep a running list of content ideas. This is going to help you in so many different ways. So let me just share a few with you, to excite you. The first thing that it does is keeping a running list of content ideas helps you stick to your overall message. It helps you stick to your content pillars. So each and every time you are putting content out there, you're posting purpose-driven content that's actually landing you sales back to your business, landing you more exposure, or getting someone to sign up for your email list, just something. If you have a running list of content ideas, you won't miss that, like each and every time. The second thing that it does is it helps you on those days where you don't know what to post. And I know a lot of you struggle with that. But let me just tell you that is never a struggle of mine. I never ask myself what to post because I have a running list of content ideas. And these content ideas come from you. I think that's a very big mistake when it comes to just marketing your business on social media, because I made this mistake. And it's very easy to fall into this little hole of creating the content that we think our audience wants to hear and see about, and not actually creating the content that they really want to know about. Okay, say all that to say, find a way that you can keep a running list of content ideas, and get the comments that are in your comment section. You can look at your frequently asked questions, look in your DMs, think outside of the box. If you want me to create a video on that, let me know. If you want me to create a video on how I get content ideas outside of just the normal answerthepublic.com, let me know in the comment section down below. Now that you have your running list of content ideas, you, my friend, are ready to sit down, create, and edit this video. So this comes with many different layers. Now, when you are creating a video, I always recommend that you script the video. This doesn't have to be difficult, so don't overthink it. But I need you to have a hook, I need you to have the meat of the video, and I need you to have a call to action. like just to make it simple. Sit down, you write your script, you have everything you need. Now you're ready to actually sit down and record your video. Now let me tell you what's the sweet spot from my experience. The sweet spot is 60-second videos. But let me just be clear. That does not mean that you have to post 60-second videos all the time. Just because you are allowed to post 60-second videos, just because you are allowed to post 10-minute videos on TikTok, doesn't mean that you have to do it every single time. You know, like I always preach, social media marketing is all about just trying a bunch of different things until you find out what sticks. So script your video, sit down and record your video. Now it's time to edit your video. So I suggest you use a very, very user-friendly mobile editing app, and it's called CapCut. Just upload all of the footage that you just sat down to record. Now, here's the thing. The reason that you want to record this just in your regular camera is because you know how a lot of you use TikTok because the video editor over there is just amazing. I know. So a lot of you use that to edit your videos. That's fine and dandy. But then whenever you get ready to remove the watermark to put these videos on other platforms, you know, we'll talk about that later on in this video. Usually what happens when you remove the watermark, or if you screenshot it, the video loses a little bit of quality. I know it's true, it loses a little bit of quality. Sometimes it's not synced. Like if you're doing one of those lip sync type style videos, the audio is a little off from the actual video. Like I know, I've went through it all. So that's why I say the best way to avoid all that is just to record in your camera. Go ahead and edit in some third-party app like CapCut. You can also even edit in Canva. A lot of people sleep on Canva editing, but its capabilities have like extremely improved since they first started. So if you don't want to use CapCut, which I don't see why you shouldn't, you can always stick with editing your videos in Canva. By the way, did you know that you can edit videos in Canva? Like you can edit videos, you can edit reels, all of that. Did you know that you can do that? A lot of people don't know that. Let me know in the comment section. Did you know that? Now that you have gone through the third step, which is the creation process, and when you create the video, I'm talking scripting the video, sitting down to record the video, and then using an outside editor to edit this video. Now your video is ready to go. This is what I mean by maximizing your videos, getting the most exposure, and making sure your videos reach new eyes. Exactly what I mean by that. Now you're going to take this video and you're going to upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and you're going to upload it to TikTok. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this process will, take that back. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that each video is going to perform on each platform. From my experience, that's not how it works. You can record a video and upload it to TikTok and it can get 25,000 views. You put it on Instagram Reels, it gets about 100 views. You might put it on YouTube Shorts and it might blow up. Speaking of that, which is kind of sort of the inspiration for this video, I received an email from Social Media Marketing Today, which is another great resource for social media marketing tips and digital creation, all that stuff. I'll be sure to link them down below as well. And they said over 1.5 billion users are now watching YouTube Shorts. So obviously when I see things like that, it just sparks me and it's like, okay, I need to go ahead and hop back on the YouTube short train. Now, if you're familiar with this channel, I tried YouTube Shorts back in the past. Y'all can go see. I posted a few of them here and there, but I really didn't get much of a return on those videos. And I don't know if it's that the videos just sucked, or I don't know if people were not watching YouTube Shorts like that. Yeah, I have no idea. I kind of just gave up because I'm like, you know what, this is just not working for me. What I did after receiving that email, and I decided to kind of dabble my fingers back into YouTube Shorts, I just kind of went through some of my Instagram Reels and my TikTok videos to see which one of them performed the best. And I took those videos and I uploaded them to my YouTube Short. What I noticed was, yes, I increased my subscribers on YouTube. I've also gotten a few new email signups. I've gotten a few people that message me that came from YouTube. They come over to Instagram and they say, hey Cheri, I just watched your YouTube video. So I can definitely tell that it's working. And it's been since I've been experimenting more with these YouTube shorts. I know I just gave you a whole lot of information, and this is a lot to work with, and from talking to so many different business owners, I know that there is one pressing thing that y'all spend so much time on, and it can just be somewhat of a process, and that is trying to figure out video editing. One of my go-to video editors, and this is not sponsored by any chance, but if y'all do watch this, sponsor your girl. But anyways, and I swear by it, I use it. It is newer to the market, but it is so easy to use. So if you are stuck on how to edit videos and you can't see yourself doing it, and you need a little visual like tutorial, one-on-one tutorial, I want you to watch this video right here while you wait for next week's video, because this video is going to give you that one-on-one face-to-face tutorial on how to get started editing your videos with CapCut. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, ask any questions down below, and I'll catch y'all next week with a brand new video. Bye bye.